again, especially with trading the 50-50 hyperscalping strategy, it's not the first 1 minute of the day is not like make it or break it for your P&L. But there's some traders that want it to be that way, and they either win big or they lose big, and it's just kind of like a gamble every day. And I've been trying to clean them up a little bit. All right, here we go. 4 seconds to the bell, guys. Appreciate the support. 81 likes, 454 viewers. A little light. Okay, here we go. That's the bell. I don't know. These opens have not been good lately. I want to keep SPY up here. Kind of see what's going on there with that. Yeah, I'm just not interested just yet. Yeah, the ladder has been a little bit more laggy lately. Kind of sucks. Okay, they're ripped. But then the bid dropped out hard. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no surprise. So that's the market we're in. Bon. I really don't want to trade this one. I know AV. Well, it's not like game over yet. In fact, it's far from game over, but we are going to need to, I don't know, hopefully catch a bottom. Oh, I did it. I need to get tape. I need to get tape back on my hotkeys because I keep second guessing where my hotkeys are. So, I could see somebody taking some scalps in this area, but so far I'm a little trigger shy. GLMD. Okay. Yeah, I see a 242 price floats right. Okay. Ticker symbol GLMD. I'm going to keep an eye on that. That's a good float. It's halted though. Wow. Well, at least I had $100. Still green. This is not a quality area here. As far as 50-50 scalping goes, this is a little bit of a train wreck right here. But hopefully we get a bottoming tail or something. And it turns around. Partied a little too hard this weekend. I gotta clean it up, farmer. And so March this year is probably going to go down as a slower month for sure, bro. For sure. Seems to be people buying it. I'm selling that for what little profit I had, even though I bet you it's going to go here. Yeah, I knew it was. I'm such an idiot. Right into a flush, though. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Market brutality right there. I knew it was going to do that, and I sold way too effing early. So what happened was this thing dropped and then it started to curl, and that's a common thing to happen. Now the flush afterwards, that doesn't always happen. That was a pretty egregious flush, but I'm not surprised. The flush happens for it's just human behavior, you know. It ripped up and people took profit, or there was a wall at 415, or you know. And on top of that, the stock market's been selling off, so buyers are not, you know, real buyers, hedge funds and whatnot or whatever. They're not as involved. We'll never know why. We'll never know why everything happens. Like GameStop, okay, we got kind of an idea, but this thing is halted. I really don't want to trade. I'm really mad about NAOV. I had that early entry, you know. 387, 450. And that's you know, low float. This is risky as hell. I'm selling. You can't hold through that. I do see GLMD. You could do the whole resumption trade there. I think the risk is a little high. I have to sell that probably early. So I had the right idea there on NAOV again, but messed it up. SOAR. Yeah, I got to be careful. I don't like running around to different tickers. I'm going to get rid of Hyper. I don't want to trade that high float. SOAR. Yeah, this is a little lighter volume there. Careful. I'm gonna kind of stick to these a little bit higher price stocks. We'll try to see if we get a bottom at, like, I don't know, somewhere. Gosh, there's got to be a buyer somewhere in this market. Jeez, you can't tell me Trump ruined it that much. You got to be creative. Yeah, and you got to be ballsy. Wow. I'm not surprised at all, dude. This is just the market, bro. This is the market, which is normal. The thing is, okay, Monday's slow. Tuesday, we have a better shot at coming out of this. When is this resuming? Such shite. This is too ballsy. This is GLMD. Is this ever going to resume? 32, 37. It looks like it's a 10-minute halt. Yeah, typical. Oh, shite. I feel so, like, anxious and nervous. Yeah, pre-market has some juice, yeah. Yep. But and I did pre-market a little bit, but I didn't do pre-market. I did like late pre-market. When I say I did pre-market, it means I showed up 10 minutes before the bell and took a trade. RGC. Yeah, okay, so it's one of those days. It's one of those days where it's just sporadic. It's just sporadic. So we'll just stay patient. That way, when we do take a trade, it's more, I don't know, planned. I'm this is a just a little rebound trade. It's just a little rebound trade. We talk about that one and Trading Farmer Plus. You know, they always look a little different, but this one's pretty standard with your green bottom and tail. And now, how we have buying pressure. The question is, how far is the buying pressure going to take us? No one knows the answer. But on these kind of trades, I can tell you it's usually not very far. Let's wait for another dub. Yeah, John. They used to say, you know, whatever. I was gonna say, I was like, they used to, you know, that's been the thing. They trash on it and then they copy. That's honestly been the last 3 years. So, you know, typically you wouldn't trade stuff below VWAP, but I don't know. For some reason, I have learned to make it work because you go through slow markets like this every year. So I'm being real patient with my executions. I'm not chasing green candles, except for I see the resumption here on this one. I'm not going to jump on this kind of a market. This is too risky. Too risky. Yeah, $33 gone. It's just finally got on the right rhythm there. A little bit of juice here if you buy the dips, but I'm out there. I lost $100. Yeah. There's some money here. I'm gonna wait for a pullback on this. I think it could go straight up here, but could also flush out. But I took a little bit bigger loss up there. Got chopped up at the highs. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. We got a dub forming over here. I gotta take care of this dub here and see if it works, and then I'm coming back over to GLMD. But I have gotten chopped on GLMD, so frick. I tried to take a ballsy trade there, it did not work. I took a little bit bigger risk here. This might pay off. It's looking good. Come on, baby. I'm so scared. I gotta get out of there. I sold early, but I got scared. It's dropped and now it came back up here. So I'm gonna wait for a dip. I did not get a dip there. I'll wait for a dip. Ah, shoot. I might get destroyed here. That should have went. So lost all my profit. I probably mistimed it too. Shoot. I need a minute to think about my choices. I'm still watching it. Gave back $700 there, just being sloppy. GLMD, this thing really is still chopping around sideways. Okay. God dang, dude. NALV did me in dirty. It took some balls to take that trade I took. Careful. Oh, shoot. We should have a rebound here, but it really just depends on the buyers here. Shoot. Okay, I gotta really slow down because now I'm starting to suck. So the reason why I'm over on NAOV was because it was the leading gapper, and I was trying to catch a rebound here on the dub, but that's like 2 attempts that failed. It was a very valid pattern, but 2 attempts that failed. And the sad part is I still think it still feels like we have good support here, and I feel like we're due for a turnaround. God dang it. I'm kind of in between a rock and a hard place here. Yeah, I'm not sold on this one either just yet. It's producing quite a bit better though. I better stick with it. I don't know. This one, dude. I'm telling you, this one's gonna do something stupid, and I'm gonna miss it all. I had $1,300. I gave back $1,000. Oh well. Life is short. GLMD, pretty good. Daily chart GLMD quickly. 361. Looks like a pivot. You know what's happening too. Yep, look at that. 304 to 322. Could have had that with a lot of shares. You know, the reason why I go bigger size on when the stock is low is because it's low. I don't like to go super big size when the stock is extended high. right? You want to go when it's like oversold. You want to try to get it when it's about to turn. Which NAOV did, and my scallywag self missed it. There's a little stop out there. Gosh darn. So theoretically, if I would have still been holding my position, I would be a pretty green right now, like $2,000-$3,000. So I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it for the peanut gallery. Okay, we also got this one over here. This one is it's not the worst thing in the world. Okay. NAOV, I should have stuck with it. I felt like I was being a bad example by if I stayed with it, but I should have stayed with it because there's the W. It just was. So I was trying to catch this bottom W. It ended up being kind of a double bottom W, which, oh well. Life is short. This one is a scallywagger. How's it going, my wigga? What the? 101 likes, guys. Appreciate it. Sun's coming up over the horizon here. God dang it on NAOV. I do like those bottom W's. Okay, this. Okay, am I missing a ticker? What's moving, and why am I not making money? Where's the money at? Gosh darn, bro. No, I'm not trading at high float. No. CRVO is a maybe. This one was from yesterday or last week. No, I need to trade, keep GLMD up. Okay, I'm going to see about the pullback here on NAOV. And see if this is going to be a pullback here or if it's going to be a flush. Oh, God. I probably messed up here. Huh? No? That's a nice surge. No, I messed up. That takes me red. Not as red as I thought I was going to go. Okay, Trading Farmer, you got to cool it. Why did I take, the question is, why did I take 18,000 shares? The answer is because I thought it was a good pattern. But the day is not good. Shoot, Trading Farmer. Dude. Okay, this is actually becoming a bad Monday. very quickly. Very quickly, a very bad Monday for Farmer. But that's okay. Life is short. Now I'm desperate. Revenge trade. Get me in. God, why was I screwing around with that stupid ticker so long? Oh, shoot. It's okay. So, feeling the emotions, feeling the anger, but letting it go. And I'm not connecting over here too well. It's okay. Hey, twin. Good morning. Welcome, twin. It's a nice. I was gonna look at what temperature it was outside. Can't see. It's a nice, cool 58 degrees. Okay. It's okay. It's not. I'm not really super angry, but I'm just a little bit angry. We definitely got to watch this one. That's for sure. GLMD definitely needs to be watched. Daily chart. It's not the worst. Yeah, GMLD, we got to watch it. This might end up being my only hope for the day. I'm not buying the dips. I'm buying. I'm okay. You got to buy the dips. Oh shoot. Did I just lose another $300 here? There, I made most of my money back there. Shoot. Careful, careful. Oh my gosh, dude, what a day this is. Dude, I had about $1,000 on the day. No, now I got diddly squat. I'm red. Redder than a cherry. My kill death ratio is negative. I was positive. I was sweeping these kids. And then somehow they pulled out riot shields and yeah, so GLMD has definitely got juice, believe it or not. Yeah, I might miss this critical. I'm scared to get at the highs because look at how that bid drops out, but not bad. Dude, NAOV, I'm going to punch that one in the stomach. Why am I buying the... Okay. What? Dude, see, that's the kind of scallywag bullcrap that I can't stand. This one is a killer. Careful, farmer, get away from that one. So the W pattern was valid, but now this is a stretch. Whatever is going on over here, that's a stretch. I'm red, man. I'm red. I was green, but I blew it away, but not for the worst reasons, but my timing is off on this ticker. My timing was off. Okay. Yeah, I'm red on that too. Wow. By golly. Looks like it's going to be McDonald's for lunch. Looks like it's going to be the value menu only today. And I still have dreams of this thing coming back in a big way, but I can't go anything crazy. The 5 minute on GLMD is very valid as being really good looking. You got the 1 bar pullback, and this one's just a little dip. Yeah, we got to watch it. Yep, we have no choice. You can't make this stuff up, dude. You cannot make this up. I better size back down to 2,700. I don't want to lose any more money. Got to go for those dips, man. Remember how I said the market's not going to get better until I accept a red day? I'm starting to really believe into that foo-fa. So I'm just like, what's going on here, guys? Just look at that. It looks like it's going to go, but then the bid drops out. So really, your wick reclaims are like your number one trade on this ticker. And those are ballsy. Yeah, see, I keep going in for the same type of trade, and I keep getting the same result. I'm so scared that I'm going to miss it, but I don't think there's much to miss here. Ah, god dang it. I don't know. I was going to buy that dip, but then it snapped. Wow. What a day, bro. Okay. McDonald's, for a time, McDonald's brought back some kind of deal because people couldn't afford to even do fast food anymore, and the stock market was still ripping. This was a couple years ago. So fast food restaurants were struggling. Yeah, I remember they brought like the 2 for $5 back or something. Okay, so I got a little sloppy with this ticker. I got a little sloppy. I just got to be, understanding that I guess it's just not going to be a good day. And it's not exactly all my fault per se. Technically, yeah. God dang it, son. Oh my goodness. I still have dreams of catching this one. QMCO. This is a ballsy one. I don't think it. I think that's too risky up there. This is probably going to be a trick play. It looks like it's a bottom, but I bet you what's going to happen is exactly what just happened, which is it just dropped out. Lost $1,000 on this. You know, GLMD is one that maybe benefits from holding a little bit more longer, but I think it's a total loss over there. Oh, right. Me and Mario. That sucks. Where does that take me? 1,500 red. That's basically max loss. CRVO. Yep, CRVO. We better go over there, I guess. I don't want to. Just stay focused, farmer. Look at my fills. Like, even when it looks like I'm going to get a good fill, I get the worst possible fill in the history of fills. That sums up today's action right there. CRVO, 5.3 million share float. Somehow I knew that wasn't going to work, but yet I did it. Okay. Wow, this ended up being one of those days. This ended up being one of those days, man. Wow. This one's not as great as I thought. This one died. It's not the day to buy the false breakdowns, you know? I probably sold early. Looks like I did. Look at that. But you know that sort of bottom tail, I would like to have seen a quicker reaction back up, especially on this pattern here. This exact pattern right here on a hot day, that exact pattern would have already ripped like up to 320. So it was a great example of a great pattern, but you match it with the type of day we have, it's just lethargically going up here. That on a hot day, boom, you hit it at 280. Next thing you know, it's at 310. But not in this market. I'm getting a little bit of a bigger red day here, so I have to be a little bit cautious. MGRM, but that's a little higher flow. But at this point, I'm getting desperate. CRVO kind of is got its own little thing. This one, I'm not confident on that one being good. Should have bought this at 274 with 10,000 shares. So, by golly, dude. I don't even know what to say. I just got to start cleaning up the loss. Little trades by trade. Little wins here and there. We just got to find the right ticker. Is this Thinkorswim platform? Yes, it is. 118 likes, guys. Got a little bit of a red day here. Not a whole lot going on today. A little bit of frustration. There were some opportunities. I was green today, but I think I maybe got a little overconfident in some areas, potentially. Sucks, but Apex at 332. There's somewhat of a pattern here, but I don't know if I can take that. I need a dip. I don't know. Yeah, NAOV was moving. People looks like they're see, and that's the problem with today. It goes to apex levels and then the bid drops out. Like there's no quick money coming in here. I still am like maybe NAOV. You know how look at the pattern in NAOV. See how it does these steep drops and it curls back hard, steep drop, and I feel like we have that potential for that curl back up just based off of the pattern, you know? And it was the leading gapper, so people will gravitate towards this if it moves. So it's just one of those ones where, you know, we got MGMR, but this thing is not that great. GLMD was okay. I had the right idea on this stupid thing.